This is my go-to travel keyboard. Here's why. First off, the thing you'll notice right away is how light this keyboard is, thanks to its durable carbon fiber case design, which I'm a huge fan of. It does all the foundations right: tri-mode connectivity, built-in RGB, and low-profile double-shot keycaps. Here's a quick sound test. If you're after a keyboard that's compact without compromising on style, check out the EpoMaker Carbon 60. And as always, you know where to find it.